Welcome to today's informational video on the benefits of foam rolling. If you've ever wondered what those cylindrical foam tubes at the gym are for, you're in the right place. Foam rolling is a self-massage technique that offers numerous benefits for your muscles and overall well-being. So, let's dive into the benefits of foam rolling. Improved muscle recovery. Foam rolling is known to enhance muscle recovery after a workout or intense physical activity. It helps by increasing blood flow to the muscles, which aids in the removal of metabolic waste and decreases muscle soreness. By using a foam roller regularly, you can promote faster recovery and reduce the chances of muscle tightness and potential injuries. Increased flexibility and range of motion. Foam rolling is an excellent tool to improve flexibility and increase your range of motion. By targeting specific muscle groups and applying pressure through rolling, you can release tension and tightness in your muscles and fascia. This, in turn, improves your flexibility and allows you to move more freely during your workouts or daily activities. Alleviation of muscle knots and trigger points. Foam rolling can effectively alleviate muscle knots and trigger points. These are areas of tightness or tension within the muscle fibers that can cause discomfort or pain. By applying pressure to these knots using a foam roller, you can release the tension and promote muscle relaxation. Regular foam rolling can help prevent the formation of muscle knots and keep your muscles healthy and pain-free. Enhanced performance and injury prevention. Using a foam roller as part of your warm-up routine can enhance your performance during workouts or sports activities. By rolling out your muscles beforehand, you increase blood flow, warm up the muscles, and improve their elasticity. This prepares your body for more intense movements and reduces the risk of injuries, such as strains or sprains. Stress relief. Foam rolling not only benefits your physical health but also provides stress relief. The repetitive rolling motion, combined with deep breathing, can help relax your body and mind. Foam rolling is a form of self-care that allows you to focus on yourself, release tension, and reduce stress levels. So, whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking for an effective way to relax and recover, foam rolling has something to offer. It's a versatile tool that can improve muscle recovery, increase flexibility, alleviate muscle knots, enhance performance, and provide stress relief. Give foam rolling a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Remember to consult with a professional or trainer to learn proper foam rolling techniques and ensure you use the appropriate intensity for your needs. Start foam rolling today and unlock the potential for a healthier and happier you.